Have me at a nice angle for the people. This tripod is not lit. We'll stick it back down. What good is that? Oh no. Okay, that was what $25 get you, girl. Okay, but this is me working. I'm gonna process some orders. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. As you can see, my office is in my kitchen slash laundry room. I have a small townhouse in Richmond, Virginia right now. I actually moved back down here 2 years ago to be closer to like my parents and stuff. Um, so this is where I'm staying right now. I don't live with my parents. I have my own place. So as you can see, we grinding and getting it from the mud and building this company up from ground zero. And I'm really excited to bring you guys along with with me. I decided to do this because I felt that I do have something to offer the YouTube community or just people in general, um, about how to, like, the ins and outs of like really starting a business from the beginning. Like, there's so much that people don't tell you, and I wanted to kind of fill in the gaps where I can, and hopefully somebody will appreciate that. So let's get started. I'm gonna play some music because I need to zone out while I do this. So this is my scale. You always want to keep the scale handy because um, you want to make sure that your weight is correct with your orders, because you don't want you get your packages sent back to you, and that's going to delay people getting their orders, and you don't want unhappy customers. So you want to make sure that the weight is correct so that you are doing everything on your end to make sure that your customers are receiving their orders. Excuse me, please get out my way. Smash it. I'm impressed when she get paid. I got bills, expensive habits. Niggas gon' get made a break. And he better make it bills of basics. Okay, so I already know who's ordered this. This is because I cut it out, obviously. I was waiting for my stickers and my postcards to come in to send this young lady's order. So now everything is here. We're going to get it out. And I still shipped it out in a relatively short amount of time. So I am very happy about that. So yeah, included in every package is my postcard and a sticker. I'm really excited about this. This is my new logo. Can you see that? My nails look terrible, y'all. I'm waiting for them to fall off so I can get... It's too late. Well, anyway, I'll show y'all on Instagram or something. But this is my sticker. I'm really excited about them. They have my logo on them. We're going to send that with the package. And then I'm going to send her a $15 store credit just because there was a small delay with shipping her order because I was waiting for the postcards and stickers. So she ordered an Aretha ring, which these rings I love. Can you see that? Yeah. But the Aretha rings I love. They are copper, 14 karat gold, copper plated, and the silver part is sterling silver with cubic zirconia. So these don't tarnish. I wear my ring every day. I shower with it. I wash clothes. I wash my hair. I frequently forget to take it off, and it has not turned. It has not turned my finger green. None of that stuff. So these rings are amazing quality, and I love them so much. So I put them in this box. Right now, I do not have branded boxes because we starting from the bottom. And I just relaunched my company maybe 3 months ago, and after being away for a year and a half, and I do not have the bread to get branded boxes at this time, but I did want to have a nice packaging presentation. So I ordered some boxes off of Amazon in different sizes. They're just sleek black boxes, basic, and yeah, that's an upgrade from the packaging that I had before when I was going to Dollar Tree and getting gift bags and wrapping it with a balloon ribbon, okay? So the next step will be to get my own branded boxes, but you know, you have to order 100 at a time, and I wanted to focus on building up my inventory again before I focus on the packaging. I wanted to make sure that I had a big diverse inventory, something for everyone to wear, and then I was going to focus on packaging, and then I'm going to focus on marketing after that. But we'll talk about all of that in future videos, because there's so many aspects to having and running a business and starting a business, and I'm going to help you guys to the best of my ability. As you can see, I am wearing these small hoop earrings. I actually went to the gym today, so I wanted to wear some small hoops that won't get in the way, but you know, still get my little cute girl on, okay? As you can see, I got a scarf on because my frontal is not laid down. I did put some makeup and lashes on for you guys because I wanted to make sure, you know, I wanted to look a little cute for you too. But this is how I look all the time when I'm working, most of the time while I'm working. You know, it's not as glamorous as Instagram makes it seem. Like, those girls that create content, kudos to them. I do not know how they do it. It's a lot of work to sit there and put makeup on, get dressed, go out there and take pictures, and then run a business as well. It seems impossible a lot of the time, and I'm trying to work on, you know, doing more of that, because I know I need to put myself out there more in front of my brand. But it's hard, you know, especially like having a whole life, like just doing so many different things and still doing that, you know. So one step at a time, slowly but surely, we're gonna get to it. Okay, but back to what I was talking about. Ring goes in the box, we close the box. Cute, okay? So now you have your postcard, the store credit card, the sticker, the box, and this is what all this young lady has ordered. So now I'm going to get a poly mailer. I want to shuffle her songs. Matter of fact, I'm going to just turn it down a little bit since I'm talking through this. I don't want to confuse you guys. So I just got these poly mailers. These are new poly mailers that my best friend actually helped me pick out. And I love them. They're really cute. They're thick. They are not bubble wrapped. Okay? Most of my items, because they come in their own box, they won't need to be bubble wrapped. The larger items, of course, have to be bubble wrapped, but I do have bubble wrap. These are just cheaper, and I find that they're cuter. Like, the ones with the bubble wraps are so basic. They're just the different colors. So eventually I will have my own branded packaging, but you know, all that costs bread, and we're not stopping to dream because of what we don't have yet. These are so fucking cute, but they're kind of see-through, which I do not like, actually. That's not pretty, that's not safe. But if I double it up, like fold it over, you can't really see on the other side. You can't see through that. Okay, it's cool. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So yeah. And I love poly mailers because they're very, you just take the strip off, the tape is already on it. Ready to go. So this is the old way that I put my labels on the packages. I have a new way of doing it, which I will probably show you if I this tape is running out. If I pack up more orders than are laying here on this video, I will show you the new way that I am putting my label on packages. But for now, this was the old way. See how time consuming this is? Like, you gotta fuck with the tape, you gotta cut it out. And when you have multiple 10 or more packages, that's not really feasible anymore. So you gotta upgrade. But when you're starting out, like, this is completely fine. You don't have to do nothing special. Um, Printer and tape and computer paper will work just fine when you're first starting out. Like, don't let people trick you into thinking you need to get Dymo printers and all of that when you're first starting out, because you don't have the amount of orders to justify that expense at this time. Like, once you start getting 50 or more orders, obviously you want to invest in a Dymo printer. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but you want to invest in that then, because that's then going to infringe on your time, and then your time is important once you get to that level. So you want to make sure you're being efficient, and a Dymo printer is excellent for efficiency. But because I just relaunched and a bitch got bills, this is the way that I've been doing it for a while. But I just upgraded myself, decided to invest in myself and upgrade myself. And I'm going to show y'all the new way that I print labels later. But yeah. So for these orders, I'm going to have to look up what they ordered, because I did not print a packing slip with their labels. So that's another thing that you want to do to be more efficient with your time, is to print a packing slip. I like to say paper, so I don't like to print packing slips, but you really should do as I say, not as I do. Print a packing slip, so then you don't have to look up on your computer the order that they placed and what it was in it. You can see it right there on that packing slip, and then you can put that packing slip in the package so that they can verify what they ordered against what's in the package. So it helps. It is helpful to put the packing slip in the package. Boom. So I found this young lady's order. She ordered our mini earrings in silver and our Tracy bamboo earrings, which are both sold out. Okay. I am terrible at that. But boom, take it out. The in-house packaging. My nails look so bad. Take it out the in-house packaging. These are Tracy bamboo hoop earrings. See, they're lightweight. They don't have those harsh edges that the cheap ones do. That's what I like about them. They're smooth. They're modern. They're a pin catch hook closure. So comfortable, sturdy. They don't bend. Good quality. And then she also ordered our mini hoop earrings in silver, which I don't keep a lot of silver in stock, because honestly my customers, they don't really shop. It's very far in between that they'll shop silver, and I just feel like I'm nervous to hold a lot of inventory in right now, just because, you know, I just relaunched 3 months ago and I want the demand to meet my supply. I don't want to have too many things that are not moving, because once again I have bills and this is real life and we start from the bottom, and I just want to make sure that, you know, I got what I need and nothing more at this time. Okay, so this is because she ordered 2 pairs of earrings, and this box is pretty big. I can actually fit both of the pairs of earrings in this one box. So that's what we're gonna do. I also need to put a gift tag on. I don't really put the gift tags that I have right now are too big. I'm still trying to figure out a system for putting a quote on each of the pieces of jewelry. I was considering getting them manufactured in bulk, just with the quote on it and the website on the bottom with like a little tag. But because my inventory changes so often and the names change so often, it's really not feasible to do that. So I have to figure out a way to do that. But until then, this is what we doing. We writing on these gift tags that I got out of not Michael's, actually. I got it out